Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13 Turbo and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the recents, and if you've got the gestures, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, from the bottom to the center, sorry, and hold your finger somewhere here and your device will open the recents. If you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on this 3-bars icon, and here we've got the recents. If you wish, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping it up like that, but if you've got a lot of apps open, simply tap on close. Now we can go back, and as you can see, we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.